Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how I make these delicious banana nut muffins. I absolutely love banana nut bread. I love banana nut muffins. I was purchasing the vegan banana nut bread from Trader Joe's, but that became a little too pricey, so I came up with this recipe. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The ingredients include 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, 3 ripe bananas that we will be mashing, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a fourth teaspoon of salt. When it comes to the nuts, I never measure how much I put in there, so you can put as much or as little as you like. It really doesn't matter. It will not affect the recipe. Half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. You'll also need a muffin pan. I chose a jumbo size one. The first thing we're going to do is mash all of our bananas, and I prefer to use a whisk. For some odd reason, I feel like I mash my bananas better when I use a whisk. Next, we're going to mix our sugar, bananas, vegetable oil, maple syrup, and vanilla extract all together. Once everything is well mixed, set it to the side. Now mix all of your dry ingredients together. Next, mix all your wet and dry ingredients together, but do not overmix. Fold your pecans or whatever other nut that you used into your batter. Spray your muffin pan with some vegan nonstick cooking spray, and then just add your batter to your muffin pan. I like to even out the batter with the back of a spoon that I sprayed with some of the nonstick cooking spray. Once your batter is even, go ahead and bake for 30 to 40 minutes. After about 30 minutes, just stick a toothpick or a fork through the middle to see if it's done. If there's nothing left on the fork or toothpick, then they're done. Before digging in, let your muffins cool for about 30 minutes. Here are the end results. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button right along with that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. If you guys try this recipe, let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what type of recipes you would like to see from me. But as always, thanks for watching.